moving on to a special segment. Well, the Economic Society of SRCC, or the Shriram College of Commerce of Delhi University, held a 3-day extravaganza featuring a host of engaging and enlightening conversations on campus. In fact, the attendees included economists, financial experts, and also corporate honchos. The event had several lectures, fireside chats, and live interviews and panel discussions by distinguished industry experts. Take a look. Insightful discussions, fireside chats, and deliberations. These are just some of the glimpses of SRCC's annual Economic Fest SRES 2024, filled with insightful discussions, fireside chats, and deliberations. Graced by the doyen of the financial and business world, the 2-day event discussed and deliberated upon what the India of 2047 would hold and would look like.
Broadly, in economics or finance, there are two parts: implementation, disintermediation, bank, and stock market. So there are many banks which take that money, but stock markets are very few because they allow everyone to trade with everyone else, put money into everything else, right? So company usually will require both a money as its own, which is called equity. All of you are commerce students, so you know something called equity, and then it will also borrow, which is called debt. And debt also it can take directly from individuals by way of deposits, by way of debentures, or it can also take loan from the banks, right?
And how stock markets will contribute to nation building. Not all, there were riveting discussions on India's tech and startups-driven growth, the role that AI can play to drive innovations, and the vision of a $10 trillion economic growth. All in all, a day filled with dollops of learning, fun, and lifelong lessons.
How the stock market is an engine of growth, and how the Indian economy can grow in the next 25 years. Looking at 2047, when it will be 100 years since our independence, or वहाँ तक हम लोग कैसे पहुँच सकते हैं? How can we develop our economy? So there are a lot of insightful lessons to take from all of these conversations.
So this event of SRES, it's like amazing event. We had some amazing panel discussions.
Actually, they have taught us about startup finance, Indian economy, the differences, the stock, knowledge about stock markets, and all of that, which most of the seminars don't really give us.
It is really good because there is a diverse speaker lineup. The topics are really relevant, and for a high school, it gives a ton of opportunities to approach new people, and it helps in networking skills as well.
Glimpses of SRES, that is the annual extravaganza of SRCC. I certainly had a good time attending it. I hope you also loved watching the package. On that note, it's time's up.